Hi, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmate. My name is Roldan EU, and this is my instructional materials. I've called it the wheel of the story. So, the materials that I've used in this instructional materials, I use colored popsicles, the cartoons, and also this kind of waste from our wrapper waste. So I choose these materials for me to have a sequence of my future demonstrations. I choose these kinds of output of our my instructional materials for the reason that I'm going to have a sequence in each of the hexagon part. So for example, this is the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the middle one is the title of the story that I will be choosing in the future. So on this, as you can see, it has two sides, and the first let's focus first on the first side. So the first side talks about the sequence. So where I place all the pictures here on this side. And then if we're going to take it on the other side, on this part, it is a matching type activity of the students. Whereas the pictures here should be attached or based on the sequence of the story. For example, if this side is number 1, should this side also be the number 1? So in this part, it is included the activity already in this instructional materials, where I have to put or print the pictures, the different pictures. Then the students will place that pictures on this part. So because it has a two part. So in this instructional materials, it is an effective way in terms with the interactions, in terms with the collaborations of each students, in terms with on how they are going to hear or comprehend based on the sequence of the story and also based on the pictures. These instructional materials focus on the visualization of the students because this is more on the pictures and the other way of instructional materials. So in order for this to be to operate, so just place the pictures here, and then let's talk about the story, the sequence of the story. Particularly, these instructional materials will target the sequence of the story, whole story, so that it would be easy for the students to remember the particular event or particular scene on that picture. For example, the picture 1, it talks about this kind of story, this happening, so on and so forth. So this would be the whole view of my instructional materials. So this would be on the upside down, and this would be the result. So it looks like a wheel, but it is a hexagon type. So that would be all, and thank you so much for listening in terms with my explanations of these instructional materials. Thank you so much and have a nice day.